All right, I got some new camping gear and we are going to unbox it and actually put it to use here at the campsite. So we arrived here today. I have been patiently waiting. I have not looked at this other than just a quick opening it to make sure everything was in there. This stuff is not sponsored. None of this was sent to me. This is just stuff that I have wanted for a while to either upgrade some older gear or just some random stuff that we're gonna try and put to the test outside today. So let's dive right in. First up is something I am so excited about. It's a new cutting board and I love the size of this just right off the bat. That is kind of the thing that intrigued me. So I have a cutting board, but it's pretty old and it's actually cracked and it's a little bit bulkier than this. So I love initially just how thin this is. It's got a flat side and then this side has the little groove. So for cutting meat and stuff, that's awesome. And these little rubber knobs on the end are pretty genius. So it's not gonna slide around and they're on both sides. What is this material? Paper composite. What the heck is that? It feels really hard. Made in the USA, that's always good. Ooh, this is my old one. It's cracked and it's made of wood, which, you know, I like, but I think it just needs a little bit more care, which I have not given to this thing. And it's pretty thick, which is not really necessary. So for camping, I think this is gonna be such a awesome upgrade. And like I said, it is solid. What else do we got? Okay. This was definitely not something I needed, but something that I thought, let's give this a try. It's a pocket chainsaw. It just intrigued me. It comes in this little pouch. That's nice and convenient. Oh yeah. Oh dear. Okay, pocket chainsaw. I do believe that this is a two-person job. If it does work, you know, maybe not a bad thing to have in the car. Actually, we are super remote right now. There's no trees here, but maybe if I was somewhere where a tree fell on my road out, this could be handy. We found a dead tree that someone has already cut. I don't really know how to do this by myself. It'd be easier to just do it with two people, don't you think? Ready? Oh gosh. Let's see what progress we've made. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's gonna take us 4 hours to saw through this, but I do believe it can be done. I'm gonna test this thing some more, but I'm gonna say overall, I do really like it. And it's really just probably not a bad thing just to have in the car. It even comes with a little thing here. I could put it on my hip. So if I'm walking and a tree branches in my way, have no fear. You save the day with your pocket chainsaw. So a lot of possibilities here.
If you were stuck in your car and you had to get through, I mean, it's better than a Leatherman.
Next is, ooh, I'm excited about this. This is a Garmin Tempe. And so I have the Garmin Instinct watch, so does Nick, and we both absolutely love this watch. It's awesome. But the temperature on here is really not accurate because it's on your wrist, right? So if you wanted an accurate temperature outside, it's just not really gonna give you that. So this little thing is supposedly a wireless temperature sensor that you can link to your watch and it will give you the outdoor temperature. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I am going to see if I can set this thing up. Press the tab 1 on the clip. Just a dang battery. Ah! We're back on track. I'm gonna pair this and then I'll meet back up with you later and we'll test it. I have 2 more things and they are both for the tent. This first one is the Big Agnes Mountain Glow tent and camp lights. I have seen these for quite a while and I thought that they looked really cool. So finally I bought them. I'm excited. We'll set them up tonight in the tent and just see. I don't know, they just look so cozy. This is a string light to create a nice little vibe in your tent, and then you can see without your headlamp. I think the other way you can use it is coil it up and put it in this bag and then just hang like one light with it. The next item that is a huge upgrade for me, and it is a new camp pillow. I will say this is bigger than I thought it was going to be. Woo! This is the Climate Drift camping pillow. Let's go to the tent. I'll show you my old pillow and we'll put this to the test. Let's try the cutting board. I'm gonna start prepping dinner because I'm hungry. Loving these little rubber things. Doesn't slide everywhere. Ooh! Oh dear. Stay put. Yeah, it like leaves little marks, but that's normal. I am going to give this cutting board an A++. Tonight I'm actually doing a grilled corn salad. So I'm gonna put these peppers and some of these other veggies in there, and then I have some chicken marinating. I started that this morning at home, and I'm gonna throw that on the grill. That's gonna be dinner, so it's gonna be nice and easy. Oh, just got pepper juice in my eyeball. Yeah, this cutting board. Upgrade for sure. This is my grilled corn salad. I will put the link in the description box for this recipe if you want to print it off and take it camping, along with actually all of this stuff that we're talking about. We're gonna eat, and then we go to the tent to test the last two things, the pillow and the lights. I don't know about this little temperature thing. I got it to connect for like a second, and then I think it gave me a pretty accurate temperature, and then it just disconnected. So I'm gonna put it on the outside of the tent here. Looks like a good spot. I hope this thing is waterproof. I actually did not look into that. Connect. It's definitely not 77 degrees out right now. I have goosebumps, I'm cold, I gotta put pants on. It says disconnected for some reason. Wouldn't it be nice to know what the temperature is? All right, let's do the lights first. The zipper is glow in the dark, which is pretty cool. I think I wanna just use it in string mode. So excited. It's gonna be so cozy in here. By the way, if you're seeing some random flashes, there's some lightning in the way distance. You can't even hear it, but we can like see the flashes. There's a lot of ways you could do this. I mean, you really could get pretty creative. That's good enough for now. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Let's turn this off. Let's see. Can you see that? Wow, this is so cozy. I love it. They do come in different colors. The red is cool, but I kind of think I would like I think it comes in blue and white. It just makes it feel like really cozy in here. And if I could string them a little bit more thoughtfully, then probably would get even more, like get it around the tent a little bit, but yeah, I am loving this. And it's really lightweight and small. This is definitely a winner. I already want to get some more of these. Okay, should we try the pillow now? I have my old pillow with me. This pillow has been with me for no exaggeration, I think 13 years. I think I got this in 2009, and it is still going strong, but I just kind of wanted to just try a new one, and it definitely doesn't have quite the loft that it used to. And the one downside I would say to this is it's uncleanable. So you can imagine after 13 years of sleeping and camping on this thing, you can't like take the cover off and clean it. I guess I could have put a cover on top of it, but that did not occur to me until just now. So I thought, okay, after 13 years, I can buy a new pillow. And so I decided on this one. It had a lot of good reviews. This is large, so they do make a smaller one. It is quite large. One of the reasons that I did decide to try this one is there's a protect it side and then a sleep on it side. And I believe you can wash it too. So this side is water resistant, easy to clean, and a durable outer shell. It's kind of got that material. So it's great for transport if you drop it out of the car, which I have done many times when I finally get to a campsite after driving on a dirt road for a while, and I open the back and like out flops the pillow and some other stuff. What is this sorcery? flop it down, and then you roll this side up, stuff it under here, I'm guessing, and then you flop that over. That's a pretty neat design, huh? And then you sleep on its side. It's pretty soft. It does have a bit of a chemically smell, which would probably wear off, but I don't love that. But it is like really soft, and I can tell this is gonna be pretty dang comfortable. Let's see. Oh yeah. I'm actually pretty picky when it comes to pillows. I tried a ton of camping pillows a couple years ago, just like for fun, just to kind of compare them. But the other one I showed you has been the one that I've always really used. But this is nice. This is real nice. You gotta try this pillow. It does smell, right?
It smells like new memory foam.
Yeah, I think it will go
It's the
away.
foam inside that stinks. I think it will. Where's mine?
I didn't buy you one. You can have my old one though.
The 13-year-old disgusting pillow. Nah.
That is everything. Oh, the temperature thing. Let's see what the temperature outside is. Oh, dang it. I think it disconnected again.
You have crazy static here.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You look like scientists,
Is that better?
No.
Okay, so it's connected. No! It connected enough for me to see, it said 51 degrees, which is what I would believe the outside is. And then it disconnected and now it says 80 degrees because it's attached to my body. So I don't know about that thing, honestly. It's like not crazy expensive, but it's not cheap. I don't know if that's really a winner. Chainsaw is cool. Would I run to go buy that? No, probably not. But yeah, these lights, the cutting board, and this pillow, minus the smell, are pretty awesome finds. So that's it for this video. I know it's kind of a random video, but it was fun trying these things with you here at camp. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more camping videos, and watch this video next. I will see you over there. I can say after sleeping on this thing for 2 nights that I really like it.